Hello, my name is Nicole Page Theodore, and I'm a local business attorney here in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm also a co-founding partner of the law firm of Theodore and Robinson, where our focus is to help entrepreneurs remain legally compliant and also to protect their business assets so they can thrive. I'm here to talk to you today about an exciting upcoming event called the Women Doing It Afraid Business Style Workshop. This workshop is going to be great and you don't want to miss it. It's on Saturday, May 12th at 10 a.m. in Sandy Springs, Georgia. This event is going to bring together women from every avenue, every walk of life, and all business sectors. We're going to be there to learn more and gather the tools about how not only to maintain but also grow our businesses. I am going to be hosting a discussion from the legal perspective. I'll be talking about how to maintain a proper legal foundation for your business, the proper legal way to start a business, and also how to protect your intellectual property, your financial information, and also to remain legally compliant, which allows your business to thrive so that you don't become a statistic. Please join me on Saturday, May 12th at 10 a.m. in Sandy Springs, Georgia for the Women Doing It Afraid Business Style Workshop. To register, go to www.womendoingitafraid.com. Hope to see you there.